We're gonna get down close and see if we can see anything moving around here that we wouldn't see if we were standing up. Sometimes you see a lot of things that you wouldn't normally notice if you look up really, really close. You can see some moss under here. Some worm castings right here where my finger is, because worms eat through the dirt as they tunnel and then it comes out the other end, so I guess you kind of like worm poop. It leaves little piles of dirt behind them as they crawl. See, there was a little bug that went by there. Oh, let me see. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bug under there. See it right there? Yep, it's moving around. Let's see what else we see here. Lots of moss. And you can touch it, it's soft. It's fuzzy. Bug's moving around now. I did see a spider, but it was too quick. Oh, there it is. You see it crawling up there? We wouldn't normally see that if we were standing up. To get right down level with the earth and look up super close. And there's lots of dried up grass here from over the winter, so bugs like to hide under there. But not only bugs, we can see all kinds of different kinds of leaves. Different shaped leaves. You can see all the veins on the backs of the leaves. You can see the rocks, holes in the rocks. Blades of grass even. Look at that up close. They're very, very straight, aren't they? It'd be pretty funny if we had curly grass, wouldn't it? So I hope everybody's having a good time exploring a little section of your yard or the sidewalk. And you can let us know what you find. There's another spider right there. Let's see if we can see it. I think it's too fat. Oh, no, there it is. Yeah. You can see how bugs move if you look at them really closely. Enjoy your outside time today.